Alright, so funny story. I recorded a nice long video a moment ago that I never hit record, but now I've actually hit the circle button as my son's shouting to me. And here we go. Alright, so we're here at General RV. We've been here since 10:30 this morning. It's a little after 7 o'clock now. We did a full 3-hour PDI walkthrough. I don't think they really expected somebody to lay down on the ground or crawl into the camper. Glad I did. I noticed a little bit of a water leak. We'll see what's going on with that. And, you know, here it is. We have bought a Primetime Spartan 1245 toy hauler. Weighs in about 16,000 pounds, has about 5,000 pounds of carrying capacity.
No, don't dump that upside down.
It has pretty much anything we could hope for. We are not going to have any real toys, except for the kids' toys, but you know, that is what it is. We'll do the garage up like a bedroom. We do have a 5,500 watt Onan generator, runs off of gas with a fuel station in the back. We have our rig side by side, so we're going to be moving stuff tonight, getting some Chinese food because you know that's super wonderful for Mook Day. All right, so let's head on in. Walking in, presented with the steps up to our bedroom, and then the dining room, living room, kitchen area. Yes, I did say dining room because this lovely love seat will be taken out of here almost immediately, and we'll put a table and chairs in its place. We eat dinner at our table every night, and I am not up for eating dinner in the kids' bedroom. The table back in the garage. We have a gargantuan TV, a larger TV than I've ever had in my life. Huge pantry here, oven, stove, convection microwave, double door LP refrigerator. Thanks, buddy. Nice deep pantry. Flimsily feeling shelves, but we'll go ahead and reinforce them shortly. Can't have everything. One beef with the kitchen living room is that there are exactly 2 outlets with 3 open slots underneath the TV for plugging things in. You have nowhere to charge devices sitting at the love seat or the long sofa. So that'll have to be remedied. We'll have to get some USB charge plugs. We'll deal with that.
There's tons of plugs.
Alright, so here's the kids' room. You have the washer dryer back here. We opted by choice for a combo. We could have put a standing unit in here. Sewing machine. We opted for a combo unit because we like to just put laundry in and forget about it until it's washed and dried. There's a lot of benefits to the stackables, but for us the combo made the most sense. Kids have their own bathroom back here. Nice size sitting room. I think it's actually a little more spacious than what they had in the old Sabre. Less storage in here, but a lot of empty wall space that we'll be able to make use of. So we'll deal with that. We'll also be putting together some kind of cabinet around this washer dryer, and maybe the TV. We'll figure something out. All right, walking upstairs, the wardrobe is on a slide. Actually blocks access to the bathroom and to the master bedroom when it is in. We made a choice by that. We figured we could get to the half bath in the back, and we actually have almost never gotten into our master bedroom with the slides in. You know, every once in a while we'll climb across the bed, but it's really not that important to us. So we're making a choice. We'll see how it actually works out. Here's our master bedroom. Nice size medicine cabinet, mirrors, sink, throne, big size cabinets here behind the shower. The shower is some kind of wonky hanging thing. So that's that. And then into the bedroom. We had the dealership swap the stock mattress with our Sleep Number. Just recently to set it up. Got some weird looking wood going on, so I'm gonna have to clean that up. Here's the bedroom. We made progress in moving, so I'm not quite as pristine.
Whoa, yeah.
Decent cabinet, or closet space. This one will be ours. This one up here will be the kids, with some overflow of our stuff. We do plan on, for the headboard, because it's actually angled a little bit, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but we actually want to pull the whole headboard down, hinge it across the top, and then affix it out. So instead of being slanted, we can actually tilt it and make it comfortable to sit at. That's the theory. We'll see how it actually goes in practice. But here is last look at the camper. We'll look down through from our overlook standing area, and this is our new home. So thanks for watching.
Guys, do you want to see the car launch?
We're excited, and Logan likes that the railing works as a car launch. Good. All right. So I have put off moving boxes as long as I can. Hopefully dinner will be here shortly, and thanks for following along. We'll post some more as we do some updates, and that's about it. Thanks everybody. Bye.